everyone, this is Naza from Popupsmart, and in this video I'll show you how to set up operating system targeting for your pop-up campaigns with Popupsmart. So I'm on my Popupsmart account right now. I'll just edit one of my campaigns. I will just skip the customization steps because I want to show you the segmentation options. On the third step, which is segment, you can click change segment to see all the predefined segments that you can choose from, or you can click my segments to create your own rules from scratch. This is what I'm going to do for this video. I will click add audience targeting. It's under audience, and you will scroll down. You will see the operating system. Let's edit. You can just uncheck the ones that you don't want to display your pop-up campaign. I'm happy with these right now. I'll just save it. This is just how easy it is. I'll just publish it and I will show you how it looks on my website. So as you can see, because I selected my computer's operating system, I can see the pop-up campaign, but the ones that I removed will not be able to see it. So thank you for watching. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.